How to contact seller on AliExpress. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can contact a seller on AliExpress. While it may seem confusing, actually the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your AliExpress application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now you want to search in for the particular product that you want to message the seller of. Now from the search bar, you can either search it, or if you suppose you want to buy this product right here, you want to tap on it and you want to open it up, and you can see you'll get the option to add to cart and buy now, right? Beside it, you can see store option and message option at the bottom of your screen as well. Now to message the seller or to directly message the seller, simply tap on message option and you'll be able to message them directly. So you can issue the return refund option as well, so you can be able to message them directly from here. So this way you can message the seller or contact seller on AliExpress. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.